When we do this with an arbitrary a value, we can do it on the computer and look at a cubed. And then I know that my slope will be 3a squared. So I'm looking at x minus a plus a cubed. And now I can drag a, and you can see that as my point moves, my tangent line moves with. Do you see that? How this green point is moving and this purple tangent line is moving with it? How many of you have ever ridden a roller coaster? The slope of the tangent line tells you how quickly you're moving on the roller coaster. So this would be a terrible roller coaster, wouldn't it? Like going up and up and up and up and up and up. What would be a better roller coaster? Okay, so you want to do x squared? Okay, so let me make my tangent line here. My tangent line will be 2a times x minus a plus x squared, a squared. Like, you know, the Sea Dragon State Fair? Yeah, I'd buy this. This is like the Sea Dragon. I bet, though, that we can come up with a really interesting roller coaster design. That's a good start because we have more of that shape. There's at least a point where we turn around a little bit. Go ahead. You want negative x to the fourth? Okay, so I need to find my point, and I need to find my slope, and then I need to find the equation of the tangent line. So you have proposed f of x equals negative x to the fourth, and I have no reason to object to that. So I have f of x equals negative x to the fourth. And I want to find the equation of the tangent line. So to find the equation of the tangent line, I need two things. And I'm going to be at an arbitrary x equals a here. So I'm going to be looking at my point. I know that my point is x equals a. What's my y value? Is just the function, right? It's y equals f of x. So it's just plugging into this formula. So I'm plugging in f of a for my y value. I mean, negative a to the fourth. Then my slope is going to be the derivative evaluated at that number. And sometimes I have a number, but sometimes I just have x is equal to a. So I have f prime of a. To figure out what f prime of a is, I can figure out that f prime of x is equal to negative 4x cubed. That means f prime of a would be negative 4a cubed. And now to complete this, I'm going to use point slope form to find the equation of the line. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. So I'm going to have y minus negative a to the fourth is equal to negative 4a cubed times x minus a. Let me rewrite that here so it's a little bit bigger. And then I can add negative 4a cubed to both sides, or negative a to the fourth to both sides, and I will get y equals negative 4a cubed times x minus a to the fourth. And this will be my final equation. So if I type that in, all right, so now I'm graphing y equals 4a cubed times, so if I put that in, I'm going to be looking here, and my point should move too. I can see the tangent line moving as I look at this. And I can see how quickly I would be moving at different points on this hill, where the velocity or the slope would vary.